Here's a drawing tip that's going to make all your drawings a lot better. We're going to touch on 3 muscles that make the arm way cooler looking. I'm only going to cover them from the outside view, so let's just get into it. I'm using the outside view of the Hulk to show off the top deltoid. The deltoid is made up of 3 parts, but you can see 2 parts from this angle normally. It kind of looks like a heart shape, and it attaches down at the pit right behind the bicep. In the red version of the Hulk, we're going to go over what I just mentioned, the bicep. The bicep from the side is one of the most famous muscles ever. This muscle is popularized by bodybuilders and movies. It's relatively simple to draw. It's just one large curve on the front of the arm. The way these muscles interact is the most important part, and how they kind of fit together like puzzle pieces. And here is the tricep, which is in the back of the arm. This muscle can be very, very large, or as right here, it is relatively small. This back of the arm is very important because it brings the shapes together. This muscle is forgotten quite a bit by newer artists because it's in the back of the arm and it's not quite as glamorous looking. If we go back to Green Hulk, we take a quick look at the dynamics of this deltoid. Looking at the deltoid from an outer viewpoint, it kind of looks a little bit like a bell pepper or fruit of some kind. But it almost always retains the curved at the top going down to a point at the bottom. And if you just remember those 2 aspects of the deltoid, you'll be able to draw it pretty well almost every time. Just remember the top is round because it's lying over the bone, and then it's pointed at the bottom because it's attaching. And if we're looking at the bicep is made up of 2 parts, which is in the name, bicep, 2 muscles. When you look at that muscle from the front of the arm, sometimes you can see that split. And you can see that a lot on certain bodybuilders and comic characters. I don't know if it's fully of value to know that it's made up of 2 parts, but it might help you in the future. And then if we look at the tricep, just like the bicep, it's in the name, tricep. It is 3 muscles. It's tri, T-R-I, sep. But we're only looking at 1 or maybe a sliver of 2 in this view. But if I was to simplify it from the back view, it looks like a horseshoe. And it's kind of called like the horseshoe muscle. Try to memorize and learn these 3 muscles from this view, because this pose is incredibly common and we're often looking at the outside arm of characters. You can screenshot this to remember or follow for more. Please share the video.